What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I want to show you a very quick, easy way to get $10 in your bank account right now. Very, very simple. All you have to do is sign up with this app, Venmo, if you haven't already. Soon as you sign up, they put $10 in your account. You can cash it out right to your bank account. Very, very simple. All you gotta do is download it. I'll leave the information in the description so you can, download the app on your phone, sign up, and as soon as you sign up, they're going to send you $10. All right, so you will automatically have money. You don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is sign up. All right, so just use this quick as possible because it might not be here forever. Like I said, you just sign up for this app. All it is basically like a money app. Like if you're familiar with Cash App, it's very similar, just where you can make transactions with money. They also have a debit card you can use. You can basically use this app like you use your debit card. You can pay from the app. You can get the debit card to use it like you would at a store, get things like that. Very, very simple. But like the point of me making this video is to show you how quick you can make $10. So I'm gonna show you some of the things you can do with the card. See, there's no credit check, no monthly fees. You can get cash back using this card. You can also, let me go over here. You can swipe track your purchases in the app and split later with your friends. So sometimes if you and your friends all going, one place, you can actually split the money up in the app. Also, you can get cash back, like I said earlier, from just, going to places you usually go to anyway, you get cash back. So you're spending money, but you're kind of, making money back. Also, you can kind of pick what color cards you want. They have different colors you can choose from. So, this app is very, it has a lot of different offers. Like I said, it's just something that you could just download just to get $10 real quick, and you can keep it because they get your debit card. You can get cash back. If somebody wants to send you some money real quick and you're not, they don't have cash, just tell them to send it to you through Venmo. Very, very simple. So like I said, I just want to keep this video quick. If you want $10, download this app right now. Even if you just, don't want to use the app at all, but you want $10, you can still use it. So I'm gonna leave the information in the description for you to download the app right now, get your $10, put it in your bank account, and go on your way. All right. So if you're one of those people who think, okay, $10 is cool, but that's really not enough money, I understand. My entire YouTube channel is showing you guys how to make money. So if you want to make even more money, and I'm talking like $150 every single day, I encourage you guys to book a session. The link to that will be in the description as well. And I can teach you how to make $150 in less than 30 minutes every single day you're bringing this kind of money. All right. So all you got to do is book a session, get started with that. And I can put some real money in your pocket, showing you what I do every single day to put that kind of money in my pocket. You can do the exact same thing because it is very easy. All right. So first, I want you to get this $10 free. They're going to put in your bank account by downloading this Venmo app. Then book a session so you can make even more money. But I want you guys to always remember that every penny counts.